Welcome to our guide from Blue Editing on making great holiday videos with your smartphone. No accessories are needed. Let's dive into 12 helpful tips to take your footage from good to great. Tip number 1. Always start with a clean lens. Our phones go everywhere with us, which means our lenses often collect dust and fingerprints, leading to blurry videos. And you might not realize it until it is too late. Next up, ensure your battery is fully charged before you start. There's nothing worse than running out of power during a perfect moment. A full charge means you're ready to capture every memory. Tip 3. Film in both landscape and vertical orientations. Why? Vertical is perfect for social media, but you can't expand the 9:16 format back into 16.9. Landscape is excellent for viewing on larger screens, such as computers and TV. Ideally, film both shots so you can immediately send them to your social media and edit them later for larger screens. If you have to choose one only, go for the TV format 16.9, which you can still crop back to the social media format. Tip 4 is all about lighting. Yes, the latest smartphone will analyze the light and compose with it. However, natural light remains your best friend for beautiful videos. Position yourself to make the most of it, but be careful not to shoot directly into the sun. For tip 5, frame your shot with care. Check your background quickly before filming. Yes, AI can help you remove unwanted objects in post-production, but why this hassle when it takes a few seconds to ensure the background is clean? Moving on to tip 6, listen to your environment. Background noise can overshadow your subject. If it's too loud, find a quieter spot to ensure your video's subject can be heard clearly. You won't need it if you edit only a video clip. However, keeping some voiceover depending on the scene is always nice. Tip 7. Do a quick test shot. This helps you check your lighting, sound, and composition before the main event. It's a simple step that can save you from unexpected issues. Tip 8. Start recording 2 seconds before and after your scene. This extra footage gives you room for editing and ensures you don't miss any spontaneous moments. Too many times we've made this same mistake over and over. You'd rather cut the clip by 2 seconds in the post than trash it because you missed the action for 2 seconds? For tip 9, vary your shots. Close-ups capture emotion, medium shots are great for context, and landscapes show the environment. A mix of shots keeps your video interesting. People tend to shoot at the same height and angle, boring the video. It only takes a second to change the lens mode and vary. Tip 10, use slow motion judiciously. It can make moments like laughter or a wave crashing dramatically more impactful, adding a professional quality to your videos. Reviewing your footage is tip 11. It's essential to ensure you've got all the shots you need and that they're up to your standard. You don't want to discover later that you missed something or forgot to press record. Finally, tip 12. Always save and back your footage. This protects against data loss and means you can revisit your holiday memories anytime, especially if you have not subscribed for Cloud Auto backup service. There you have 12 tips for improving your holiday videos using your smartphone. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep filming and have fun. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more video making advice. Now that you have all this amazing footage, what's next? Let us at Blue Editing turn your clips into a beautifully crafted movie. Upload your holiday videos to www.blueediting.com, and our professionals will edit and transform them into a cinematic memory you'll cherish forever.